mosque, and then I pray with my teachers and my friend. And then I memorize and brush up my Holy Quran. I pray Subuh at 5:30. I back home after praying Subuh, I back to my room, and then I make my bed and take a shower. After that, I get undressed at 6:30 p.m. I wear my school uniform. After getting dressed, I have breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. Before going to school, I pray. And then I go to school. I arrive at school at 7 a.m. The class start at 7:30. I study at school 6 hours every day, except Sunday. And then I take a break at 11 o'clock with my classmate, and then I back home at 1:30 p.m. And then I get undressed and wash my hand. I have breakfast. I have lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.